Did you know that in Switzerland, flushing the toilet after 10 p.m. can actually get you fined? That's right. In some apartments, it's illegal to flush at night to keep the noise down for your neighbors. Imagine having to hold it in during those late-night hours just to avoid a hefty fine. It's a quirky rule that reflects the Swiss commitment to peace and quiet. So, if you're ever in Switzerland and feel the urge to flush after dark, think twice. Remember, it's not just about relieving yourself, it's about respecting your neighbors too. If you found this fact interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun insights.